is Restu Amini. I'm 26 years old. I'm divorced. My religion is Muslim. I'm come from Banjarnegara, Central of Java, Indonesia. My last education is junior high school. My height is 147 cm. My weight is 70 kg. I have experience before in Semarang 2 years and Jakarta 2 years. My job is take care of elderly people and take care children, 3 years old and 4 years old, cooking, marketing, washing, and cleaning of the house. I can cook simple Chinese food, like example, steamed fish, steamed chicken, soup, and stir-fried vegetable. I cannot eat pork, but I can cook pork. Now, I want to go to Singapore because I want to get more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.